Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Ulefone Note 7P, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. And we are going to get this application from the Basic Studio. Let's open. Right now we have to click to get started, click OK, tap right here, move to the OK another time, click on the input options, switch to LED keyboard, and right now we are able to pick up our new theme. So here we get the categories and we can easily change it by tapping with our finger. I think that I'm going to set the RGB dance, so click, tap to download the theme. Right now we have to turn off this ad that pops on the screen. It doesn't show, so never mind, the theme was applied. So right now we can simply use the keyboard, for example right here. And as you can see, that's how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!